Test, test. Ooh. Wow. So, today I'm talking about a free AI lesson plan template as part of the series I'm doing on AI lesson plan generators, because I know that it's super hard to plan lessons when you have ADHD or autism or both. And so anything that we can do that will help ease that burden and maybe help you save some of your mental and emotional energy or bandwidth to actually use for the teaching or, the relationship building and all of the other things you have to do as a teacher is definitely worth it. So, when I was teaching, I was an elementary music teacher, so, I had, my own specific set of curriculum and concepts and skills and things that I was teaching, but I also didn't have this kind of advanced technology that we have now at the disposal. So, I think that I would have definitely enjoyed using that. And so now that I'm on the other side of the classroom and I'm creating resources for teachers like me, that, that's what I'm doing, and I'm here to help you in any way that I can, whether it's showing you a new tool or whether you join our Facebook group for neurodivergent teachers. There's a lot that I would like to offer you and that our free community can offer you. So anyways, so free AI lesson plan template that I will be linking to. Basically, it's just, you're going to tell it, like I mentioned with some of the other tools like Brisk AI and Mancha, and there's a lot of other good ones, but you're going to tell it, the age group, the subject, you're going to tell it what you're trying to teach, any standards, which I also have a post about standards-based lesson plans with AI, and any other specifics that you want to make sure that it hits, like, targets, not hit, actually hit, but any kind of differentiation or special needs you want to make sure that it addresses. I also touch on that in another post about making your AI plans for diverse learners, meaning, diverse neurotypes learners. And you're going to tell it how much time you have, all of that kind of good stuff. And then you're going to start testing it and seeing what it gives you. And it's a process of, you still have to thoroughly vet it, make sure that it's accurate, make sure that there's not any bias or, crazy stuff, basically. And if it does give you something like that, you can, tell it directly, like, this is not accurate or this is biased, like, please make sure you avoid this kind of thing. And then even so, you're still going to have to vet it and make sure that it's doing what it's supposed to. But what else? You're going to want to include materials. You're going to want to include assessments, formative or formal assessments. You could ask it for little prompts, like sentence starters. With Brisk AI and others, I'm not sure which other ones yet, but I know Brisk AI for sure. You can even tell it what kind of format you would like it to output, and it'll do that, which is pretty crazy. So I hope that gives you kind of another general idea of what to do when you are using a free AI lesson plan template. And I hope to see you on the email list and in the Facebook group. If you're not in the email list, just sign up for one of my free resources, and that'll get you on there. All right, talk to you later. Bye.